You are going to love 2017 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, fog lamps, HID headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.